That's saturated. I don't want to do that. I'm not going to make any money. Everybody's doing that. Have you ever heard these kind of things before? Listen, this happens all the time, and they're typically crap offers that don't really have any real value, real products and services that are just all hype, right? And when the hype starts to die down, the same people turn around a month or two later, put a new cover on it, a new fancy font or whatever, change the name a little bit, change the way it looks, change the video, and sell the same hype over again and over again and over again. And they're just honestly selling a system to sell a system. And you get in and you feel like a fraud because you have to do the exact same thing. You have to con somebody into selling a system to sell a system to make money. The internet is full and full of those kinds of things. And that's why a lot of people, when they see anything that comes to online, they automatically think scam. They automatically think this isn't real. They automatically think that they can't make any money and they're not going to be rewarded for their efforts. Plus, people get stuck in the mentality of the 9 to 5. You put a little bit of effort in, you make some money. So they think that just buying into something, that they're going to get something out of it. When the truth is, you actually have to put in a lot of effort. And in a lot of cases, you're going to get hit with upsells. Oh, you want to actually learn how to earn money online. Oh, well, you got to buy the training. Oh, you want to actually buy this really amazing, awesome tool that's going to do this, 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 and this for you. Maybe create funnels, maybe do your email follow up. Oh, well, then you got to pay this for that. Oh, you want to, have do this or do that. You're constantly hit with a paywall. You got to buy this, you got to buy that, you got to buy this, you got to buy that. Before you know it, you're $30,000 to $50,000 in debt and you're nowhere. You haven't gotten a single cent back. You're an incredible amount of debt. You're swimming and you don't know what's going on. You don't know what's real. Well, here's where I do things a little bit different. It took me a long time, right? But I found something that was real products, real services. Let me ask you this. Would you feel like it was oversaturated and you didn't ever want to do it again if, say, you go to change the oil on your car, you're getting a car serviced, right? And rather than paying the $79, you only have to pay 50. Or when you're sitting at the restaurant and the bill comes and it's 120, would you rather pay the 120 or would you rather pay 90? And would you get sick of doing that? Would you get sick of getting that employee discount on virtually anything? And what about this? What if you're out on a road trip with your family? Something happens, a tire pops, you run out of gas, you lock your keys in your car. Would you want to pay for those services? Or would you want to call your complimentary roadside assistance and get it for free? Or it's included in your package, right? Or let's say you're sick, or you have a family member that's sick, maybe a child. Would you rather go wait in the waiting room with all the other sick people? Or pick up the phone, call your doctor that's already on call, right? That is a licensed doctor that can write prescriptions, right? Do a quick video chat. They're able to do a diagnosis and write prescriptions and give them to you so that then you're taken care of from the comfort of your home without having to wait in line, without having to go to the ER, etc. Now, I'm no healthcare provider, but I'm just telling you some of the things that can be an advantage of real products and services like I have, okay? Now, let's say you get those prescriptions, right? You go to Walgreens, you go to pay for them. And would you rather, again, same scenario, would you rather pay the $80 for this bottle of pills or 50? Depending on what pills they are. I mean, yeah, if it's just a fever or something, it's going to be a lot cheaper than that. But you know what I'm saying? You actually get employee discounts on lots of different things. You just have to actually take the effort to go in and look and see what you get. All right? Now, would you think that kind of thing would get saturated, especially a company that's been around since 2006, that has a better business bureau rating of A+, and has maintained that, good customer service, they're reliable, something you can count on. It's there for you. Real products and services that you can actually use. I mean, you can have your money back. Think about it. Savings on your groceries, on the services that you pay for anyways, and your bills. Oh my goodness, don't even get me started on bills. Listen, how many times have you every year around this time of year, right? Your internet goes up, or one of your other bills, your utilities, your trash pickup, those kind of things, they go up every single year, right? What if you had somebody advocating on your behalf that was actually able to get those locked in at a set rate for 3 years? I mean, talk about value, right? Those kinds of things are something that you can get behind that benefit everyone. And here's the thing. What if your only job, right, to actually earn commissions, to earn while you're learning how to do stuff, what if your only job was literally to share your link. And again, we're talking about saturation, right? So you think about it. Way I teach you how to actually get out there and share your link and actually earn real commissions, right? Is by using social media, because when you think about it, and if you understand the way social media work, it's peak and pass, right? And I'm talking about TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook Reels specifically, all right? It's peak and pass. You're only as popular or as good as your last, like, say, 5 videos, okay? Or maybe the last month, depends. Now, these aren't exact numbers, but the idea, the picture is your stuff peaks and passes. It's not like YouTube. YouTube is a search engine. When you put something on YouTube, it's there forever. People can search for it. They can find it, okay? But on the world of social media and short form videos, like Facebook Reels, Instagram, and TikTok, when you post a video, it's a peak and a pass. It'll get so many views, so much engagement, and then it'll go away, right? Unless somebody specifically comes to your profile and starts, gobbling up your content. But as a general rule, when it's pushed out to the public, it's a peak and a pass. So to start something like that, it's not oversaturated because you have every bit as much opportunity to start today as somebody else did months ago, as I did years ago. You have that same opportunity today because it's peak and pass. People see it. They'll see your stuff as a new person every bit as much as they'll see somebody that they've watched forever, because the content will stay active as you do. And we teach you how to do this by spending only literally 1 hour a day. Now, here's the kicker, right? If all this wasn't crazy enough, right? You can get everything. I'm talking the doctor on call, the roadside assistance, the traveling discounts, which I haven't even gotten into those, the discounts on your groceries, the discounts on your monthly bills and services, all that for $200 a month, which is what I pay for. And here's the thing, if you actually follow my step-by-step training, you can have that paid for in your first month. If you're serious and you put forth the effort and you take this seriously, you literally can. I did. I've been doing this for more than a year, and I only had to pay the $200 one time. Every month after that, it's paid for itself, and I'm getting money back. I earn after it's all paid for. Every sale after that, and I get sales all over the place. France, Ireland, England, Australia, lots in the United States too. East Coast, usually those come in when I'm sleeping. It's never it never gets old when I wake up my phone in the morning and I have a commission sitting there from some sale that came in during the night, right? And you could experience those things too. I give you the step-by-step training. I give you the sales funnel so you don't have to learn how to build those yourself. I give you the email. I give you everything you need, and you get instant access when you start today. And here's the thing, if $200 a month is too much, what if I cut that in half? What if it was only $100 a month? Now, you don't get as many services, right? You don't get the doctor, you don't get the roadside, you don't get the credit repair, and you only get the travel and the discounts, okay? But you could start a little lower if you need to. And if that wasn't even good enough, here's the thing. If you're strapped for cash, I get it. You can literally do all of this, and I'll give all my training, everything, the same training that I give for the $200 level, I give you at the 100. And here's the thing, I'll even give it to you at a $20 level. That's right, even at $20 a month. I mean, are you going to let $20 stand in the way of you actually earning real and effective income online? I mean, talk about it. Listen, $20 a month over the course of 30 years is really only $7,000. That is less than you would pay on any of these other crappy side hustles in a week when you're buying all those upsells, right? And you could be doing this for 30 years, and it's that sustainable. Because getting a discount on something that you pay for anyways, having a discount on your bills, all these other things is something that you can use in your life today. And if you go out there and help other people do the same thing, because the company's mission is literally to help 1 million families be debt-free, right? If you go out and help other people do the same thing and you utilize the training on social media to share your link, because that's literally your only job. Your only job is literally to share your link and earn commissions. You share your link, you're going to get a commission. If you share it the way I show you how to do it, you don't try to reinvent the wheel, because I only show you things that are tried and proven. And I keep you up to date. Go live 3 times a week in the Facebook group to keep you up to date, to keep it so that you know what's working right now. Okay? So listen, here's where you need to go. Type this into your browser, 20tofreedom.com. Go there now. And as a matter of fact, I actually have an app on my phone that when you go there and type in information, it sends me a message. And I can text you right back. Me, this bald guy, real person, I'll text you back. So you have me in your corner if you get stuck. Now, I give you the step-by-step training. I give you everything so you can do this on your own around your time and your schedule. Honestly, it only takes about an hour a day. But if you run into anything that gets you stuck or you have a question, you'll have my cell phone number. You can give me a text. You can look me up on social media. I'll give you the links down below this video, and I'll be there to help you. All right? So don't waste any more time. Get started with something real, effective, efficient, and that works today. See you on the inside.